please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. All right, you guys asked for it, so I'm delivering. I'm going to show you how I created this tumbler design inside of Canva, and I got all these images from Etsy. Stay tuned to know exactly how I created this. All right, y'all, let's jump in. Let's go. Okay, so I am super excited because I'm going to be trying something completely new, and y'all are going on this journey with me. So this is the image that I got from Etsy. I'm going to replace the background, and the size, just so you know, is the size of my tumbler. How I'm learning some new tricks with the tumblers because y'all know me, I got to get this 100% right. So mine is 9.188 in width and 8 inches in height. So this is the current image size that I'm going to be using, but I have some tricks I'm going to be doing with it, okay? I got this image from Fine Shop Designs for $4.50, and this is just some information here about it, okay? So this is where I got it from. You guys always ask me, so there it is. All right, so this is the image, but what I'm going to do is I want to put a mom life on there, okay? So I want to put a splash. It's a certain look that I'm looking for. This is my first time doing something like this, so I think I want this splash, and because I'm putting the mom face on there, so I have to make it large enough but where you can still see the design. Okay, trying to see if I want to do like a full white, or I think I like this color. This color might work. Now these are the mom life images that I got from Etsy. I got this one, and it came with a cute little girl from C Concept Lab, and it was actually $2.93. Okay, and then the second image is this with the sunflowers with her cornrows. I got this from Pixels and Hues, and it was $3.99. So I'm going to practice with both of them and just play around with it. Y'all know how I do. I just play around with things all the time and figure out what works best. And I should have just kept it regular, but I always got to do something extra. For some reason, this color not doing it for me. Oh, that color kind of do it. So I want the colors to still go with everything, but not. I want you to be able to see it, but okay, that actually, we're gonna see. So now I have to do the mom life. Where my text go? There it go. Couldn't even see it. Alright. Alright, that's too large. Okay. Now let's see what cute font we can get for this mom life. Let's play around with the font. I don't want to take too long, but we got to make it right. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. I know I definitely want it chunky. So here I'm going to speed it up. I literally was just trying to find out what font I want. When you're creating designs, you are going to be really particular with what fonts you want if you have a certain vision. Once I figured out the fonts, I deleted them, and then now I'm playing around. You see that magenta line? I'm trying to make sure everything is centered in the image. So there's the mom life. And then if I wanted to, I could put frames. Let's see. So if I wanted to, I could put frames around here. And then I'm just duplicating to put pictures of the mom and her kids. I mean, I could play around with the size or keep them all the same. Let's see. I keep it the exact same. Okay, so let's see if I have any pictures of Madison and I here that I would like to use, or if I have to upload some. So I'm going to see which picture of Madison and I want to put in here, which one looks the best. But see, the thing about this is when you're designing, you can figure out, you can play around. If you wanted more of these, you could do whatever you want. Let's see. I wanted it to be an actual, the frames, so they can go right inside of there. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to take these off and I'm going to put these in. So as soon as I put the picture up, it'll automatically have it go inside of there. Because that's what I'm looking for. Okay. And see, the thing about this is you can play around with it however you want. Now the color, what color do I want? I think I'll put the pictures inside and then I'll see what color looks best. Okay. Do I want this one reacting silly? Dang it. Oh no. Do I want them over where? Decisions, decisions. I think I'll do this one so that you can actually see our faces. Kind of don't want the black and white to be there. So let me see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download it. I'm going to upload it inside of Silhouette and we can see how that goes. But let me check this out real quick. Let's see how this one looks. Let's see how this one looks with the leopard. I love these things and I love how people make them like pictures, baseballs, but they make all types of stuff with this. So cute. See which one I like better. Both of them are so cute. I have pictures where my hair is at. Oh, you know what I might do? Let me see 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to see how this other picture looks inside of here. With the braided hair, with us acting silly. This was on Madison's birthday this year. I think I like this picture better. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Let me zoom it in. Let me get real close real quick. Yeah, I think I like this one, especially because the hair braided on there. And we acting silly. Yeah, okay. I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah, I think I like this. Alright. Oh, wait. It was one other thing I wanted to do. So I duplicated the splash, and now I'm going to put the splash all around the edges. This is going to help when I'm actually sublimating this. So I think I'm going to speed this on. And now I just selected all of those, and I'm duplicating them, and then I'm going to bring them to the bottom. Make them white, and I want to do that so that if I messed up, you wouldn't really be able to see it. You see what I'm saying? Ooh, it's so much going on, y'all. I don't know. I think I might have did too much. This one, it doesn't look like as much is going on. But the white is too much. So we're going to keep it like this. Just look like a lot going on. So if you didn't want the photos, you could keep it like this. Or you could do it like this. See, because it's already a lot going on. So it's just options. Whew, it's a lot going on, but I'm extra, so we're going to just keep it. And this one mine, so it don't matter. Alright, so now let's go ahead and download and upload it to the web. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like this content, go ahead and click that notification bell. Tell your family, tell your friends. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Join our Facebook group, Queen Dreamer. Check out my Amazon storefront. Leave any suggestions or videos that you may want to see down below. And y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. And remember, every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. Word to Harriet Tubman. And you guys, we are at 9,307 on our road to 10,000 subscribers. We are so close. I can taste it. I love y'all. Please make sure if you haven't already that you subscribe. Please continue to share, like, comment. I appreciate y'all. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. I love y'all. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.